Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Alcatel OT-E265. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Alcatel OT-E265 slide phone. This was released back in 2006. It has got a crack in the screen, on the outer screen, but other than that, it's fine. It's locked to the Orange network. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to be filming my videos now upstairs on my bed because my glass coffee table I used to do my videos on accidentally got smashed. So here we are. Anyway, let's start. We will be looking at the ringtones and the wallpapers on here, the wallpaper. So start him up. I have got an orange SIM card in it, but it's not, the SIM card I got in here is not active, but it's just allowing us to access the menus and whatnot. It is a very nice phone. It's as you can see, it all works. I have tested it with one of my active orange SIM cards and it works fine. So it all works. It is a bit tatty, but for the age, it's not too bad. Right, anyway. There we are, the menus. Games and whatnot. Right, display. Right. Settings. Back, we don't want that. Right, so you want to look at the ringtones. So how about the ringtones then? Sounds. Here we go. Start from the top. cars, going back to the beginning. So let's have a look at the wallpaper. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if we got time just to check out what games we have on here. There are, you have the brick game. And we have that one. You all know that one. There we are. Just have a quick look at the phone. As I said, this is the Alcatel OT-E265, released back in 2006. It's the back of him. It's the bottom. Here's the earphone jack and the charger. And obviously the battery is located behind here. There. Yeah. Yep. As I said, I will be filming my videos now from now on. Well, for a while. I'll be here in the bedroom on my bed. My coffee table accidentally got smashed, so I wasn't very happy when it happened. It was a silly accident, but it wasn't me. I'm not mentioning any names, but and I wasn't happy, but never mind. Life goes on. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and as usual, I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much, and bye!